Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's recipe is very easy and simple chicken bread roll. Take a pan at cooking oil 3 teaspoon. Chopped garlic 1 teaspoon. Chopped onion 2 teaspoon and mix well. Red and green capsicum 1 cup. Boil shredded chicken 300 grams and mix well. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification. Now add salt a half teaspoon, red chili powder a half teaspoon, black pepper powder a quarter teaspoon and mix well. Add soy sauce 2 teaspoon. Tomato ketchup 2 teaspoon. Mayonnaise 3 teaspoon and mix well. Let me know from which city you are watching our video in comments below. I will thanks to everyone. Take a bread slices 8 or as per required rolls it thin with rolling pin. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe. Cut all sides and remove. Put cooked chicken mixture into the bread on one side, apply water in another side and roll the bread. Make all bread rolls and keep in plate. Keep pan on stove in low flame and add 50 gram butter. Add all bread rolls on pan and cook in low flame till it's changed the color. Change side by side till it's changed the color. Change side by side till it's changed the color. Remove bread rolls from pan. Now cut the bread rolls in equal pieces and keep in plate side by side. Do it with all. Now add mozzarella as required all over on the top of cut pieces. Keep in oven for 3 minutes till cheese melt. Chicken bread rolls is ready to serve hot with friends and family. You must try this recipe. Thanks for watching our video. Bye bye.